Hi, I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play some of the trickier parts to Tonight You Belong to Me by Eddie Vedder from Ukulele Songs. I'm going to start off by assuming that you've already purchased the Ukulele Songs songbook. If you haven't, it's worth every penny, I promise. The very first lick of the song might confuse a couple of you, but it's kind of an old folk lick for a guitarist. Here's how it goes. Your left hand is just playing a G chord, and your pinky is kind of hovering over the first string, 3rd fret. It's a sus4 chord. Now the rhythm your right hand is usually playing is a down, up, down, a real heavy shuffle. Down, up, down, up, down. Well, the basis of that really heavy shuffle is a triplet pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and like that. And so you're just kind of switching from the shuffle to that 3. 1 and a 2. Try it slow, it's not that hard. 1 and a 2 and a ready, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... Notice the tempo never stops, my steady beat never stops. All I'm doing is changing when I hit the strings and when I don't. The next part that gave me a little trouble was the transition between the second verse and the bridge. I'll show you how I do that. Starts off with that very same opening lick. You put your pinky down. Now stretch your pinky up to the 5th fret. If you have to pick your ring finger up or let it slide a little bit to do it, that's okay. And then really quick, you're going to lay your first finger across the 5th fret, first 3 strings, ring finger, pinky, and then go to the C minor chord. Now the key to getting this is practice it slowly. First walk through it, like I just showed you. Don't worry about any tempos. Worry about getting all the notes right. And then do it dead slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 2. Hard to count and play. And then gradually speed it up. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. Remember, you learn faster by practicing slowly. Every time you make a mistake, you just practiced a mistake. If you can play it slowly and practice it correctly, then you'll never practice a mistake. Check below the video in the links for the best way I've found to get the Eddie Vedder Ukulele Songs songbook. Also check for a play-along video and other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box that's for your questions. I'm sure I left something out of this lesson. Please feel free to ask. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play the Trickier Parts for Tonight You Belong to Me by Eddie Vedder from the Ukulele Songs album. Thank you for watching.